Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 7 and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's open up settings. From there, go to additional settings and storage. Scroll down and you should see your SD card. Tap on it, and from here you will see the option to format SD card. Once you tap on it, it gives you a brief message that all data on this SD card will be erased, and if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you don't want to, or you have already done it, tap on format SD card, give it a second, it's gonna begin formatting it. Only takes like 5 to 10 seconds, and once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used once more, as it is right now. Tap on OK and you're done. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.